Mutongeria wa kiama kia PNU Peter Gatira Munya augite kiama kiu no kiruterero United Opposition na gutirio barathugania kurungamana thirikari akienderia intere cha Nairobi. Munya na inyiritie kuringana na utongeria buria buru batenda thirikari ije na mbere gutongeria nthiguru na rakinya kathite murunga moja mwandiki munene wa kiama kia ODM no Edwin Sifuna akiuga na kubuthia boya gutetera kiama na kionaniria kiate ati kwenda kiama kiu kijukwane thirikari. Anthony Kathenya na rugono ruru.
Kagita kara tongole babandi daga na thirikari balambite magema kwa ntukungi makaunti ya Tharaka Nithi na Meru. Mutongero ke magia PNU Peter Munya no alale musemani no wala nile bwa mwingi kana People's Dialogue Forum kiwanjani kia Uhuru Park mujo Nairobi. Munya akigwatanagira na tongore bangile mwandiki munene wa kiama kia ODM Edwin Sifuna amwe na ulwali jaji munene David Maraga na ule agwite na kwenda giti kia urais.
Arambe! Arambe! Arambe!
Amwena kwithira Munya tawata na tongore ba kiama kia DCP na wepa kire ndio ngeni yao untubula bwejita nyuma ya kiama kia Jubilee na kikwanira gitithia misemani ya mwingi na kila kia DCP. Munya ni ajukirie kanyagaka kwinyiria te kiama kia PNU kile bandi daga na thirikari balaba kwinyiria te Rais Ruto no eno kile kithurano nituthiete kia mwaka wa 2027.
We are part of the United Opposition. We are part of those who are saying this government must be voted out. We are part of those who are saying another 5 years will completely destroy this country if we are to give this government another 5 years.
Akiale Munya ni nyirite thirikari Rais William Ruto nilemete kuthingatira watho kuthina mbele kuthondeka mawatho mala makwinyiria Kenya amwe na wongere kukile ungumania.
We believe for us to be able to develop as a country, the rule of law must always be observed. Issues we have been talking about corruption, issues we have been talking about misuse of public funds and all those things are under that rubric of ethical governance.
Dictators build fantastic roads. If you go to countries that are dictatorships, mutapata barabara. Dictators build stadiums. In fact, the best example is that prior to this Talanta Stadium, there were only 2 international stadiums in Kenya, Nyayo Stadium and Moi International Sports Center, Kasarani. Both of those stadiums were built by Moi.
And if anybody's keen, please see the focus of the current government. Projects, projects, projects. What is the catch here? It is through projects that you can loot very, very easily.
Munya akiuga kawona ya kinya mwaka wa 2027 utongire bwandi ino no bosinsirie migambele gwatitwe mbaru ni atongole bangi balabala ali musemanio ni ojo.
Because we all agree the country is totally in the wrong direction. And unless we do something drastic in the coming elections, it might be very difficult to take our country back. So it is 2027 when we are taking back our country. We work together within the United Opposition and other people in other civil society movements to ensure that this government is actually one.
Mheshimiwa Munya, you have worked with my party leader, my party ODM. I am sure that even in 2027, it will be the same. Kama wewe unaamini kwamba nchi yetu haiwezi kuendelea jinsi ambavyo inaendelea, kama unaamini Ruto lazima aende nyumbani, lazima tutatembea pamoja.
Kumamuji muneno Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.